Hello and welcome to 3D Craft. Today we have this plastic broken part which is belong to a vacuum cleaner, and as you can see this here, this edge is broken, which is locking into another plastic part. Also we have this shape, a tube and a cylinder uh, with 50-degree angle. So let's go to the Solidworks to start the sketch. New part, sketch, top plane. We are going to draw a cube 25 by 35, and the height is 37 millimeter. It's okay, and bring this face on, go to sketch, and actually we are going to use right plane this time. Let's remove this sketch. Sketch and choose right plane and draw a center line right like so, and another center line like this. And this one is 57.5 millimeter, and also the angle between these two line is 165 degrees. And also we can extend this center line a little bit. Then go to future, plane, select the center line and select this point. We need this, a plane like this. Control 8, and let's draw the cylinder. The diameter is 13.5, and the height of the cylinder is 40 millimeter. And reverse the direction. It's okay. So today we are going to use this lofted boss to attach these two objects to each other. So to do that we need to choose these two faces, then go to choose lofted boss, and as you can see this is our preview, and hit OK. That's easy. So let's continue the sketch. We need to use another tool. This time it's shell. Choose these two faces, go to the shell, and we need about 2 mm. Let's tick this show preview and hit OK, and it's make a shell from these two objects. So next thing we are going to do is to make a plane, and select this plane, go to the reference geometry, and make another plane, flipped offset, and enter 60 mm. So we are going to use this plane to continue the sketch. Let's turn off this plane, select this one, Ctrl 8, then we are going to draw some circles. Go to the new sketch, draw a circle, and the diameter is 33.7 mm. Then draw another circle, equals to this one, and then we are going to extrude this about 1.6 mm. So extrude about 1.6 mm. Then we need to draw some shape in here, on this face of this cylinder. Select this plane, Ctrl 8, sketch, new sketch, and we need to draw a center line. And draw an arc like this. And this arc size is 7.5 mm. Next, we are going to mirror it like this. We need to draw another arc in here. And the size of this one is 3.5 mm, and mirror it. Then draw these two lines and extrude it about 5.5 mm. Let me see. No, the opposite direction. Yeah, it's okay. And also we need to mirror this to the other side. To do that, go to circular pattern. We need one. Actually, we should enter 2. For direction, select this face and hit OK, and it's copied to other side. Next we need to add another plane. Select a plane, select this face, then for the second reference select this point, this point, and we have a plane. Hit OK, and we need another plane parallel to this plane. Flip opposite, and it must be 15.25 millimeter. Hit OK, and now we can hide these planes. Also this one, and let's create our next sketch. It must be look like something like this. Sketch, this point, and the size of this line is 0.5 millimeter. The distance, actually let me draw a line like this, and the distance between these two is 1.3 millimeter, and this line is 3.4 millimeter. Okay, so we are going to use revolve boss. Select this line as our axis of revolution, and for contours select this sketch and hit OK. Okay, next we need some groove right here. In here we are going to use this plane again. New sketch, draw something like this. This line is 4 millimeter, and the distance between these two lines is 20.9 millimeter, and this line is 3 millimeter. Mirror it, select like this, mirror about this center line. Actually we didn't draw the center line. And go to the future, extrude boss, through all, and we need another direction to opposite side, and hit OK. Next we need to chamfer these edges a little bit. $2 millimeters, fine. And I think we are done. We can save it, vacuum, and save it as STL file. Let's bring it to Bamboo Studio. To make a G-code from this. I'm going to print it actually this way to have less supports, enable support, and slice the plate. Let's send it to the printer, and we are done with sketching and 3D printing this vacuum broken plastic part. Thank you for your watching. Please help the channel by sharing this video and hit the subscribe button.